In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted background color from your text effortlessly. It's a simple process, but sometimes we can find ourselves a little lost when we're trying to make adjustments in our documents. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to identify and select the text that has the background color you wish to remove. Highlighting the text is essential because it tells your editing tool exactly which part of the document you want to adjust. Think of it as shining a spotlight on the text that needs attention. This step is the foundation of the process, so take a moment to carefully highlight every word or section that's affected by the background color. Once you've highlighted your text, you'll want to look up to your toolbar. There, you'll find an icon that looks remarkably like a marker pen. This is your highlight color tool, and it's going to be your best friend for the next few seconds. Go ahead and click on that icon. Doing so will open a menu that offers various options for background colors, as if you're about to pick a new shade to accentuate your text. But today, we're doing the opposite. We're clearing out the color entirely. Now this is where the magic happens. In the open menu, there's an option that might say none or transparent. Choosing this option essentially tells your editor that you want the background to be clear of any additions. When you select none or transparent, it's like wiping a slate clean. Your text will appear just as you want it, without any distractions or added highlights. And that's it. You've successfully removed the unwanted background color from your text. It's a small, yet impactful trick that keeps your document looking neat and professional. While this task is relatively simple, it's also quite effective in improving the overall readability and aesthetics of your work. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you find yourself frequently needing to clear background colors, it might be useful to remember where the marker pen icon is located in your toolbar. Familiarizing yourself with this tool can save you time and make your document editing process more efficient in the long run. Thank you for joining me today to learn this quick and handy text editing skill. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it empowers you to handle any document intricacies with confidence. If you have any additional questions, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep on creating brilliantly polished documents.